everyone. Another new thing you'll be able to check out at our booth at Fenatran is the launch of the Mercedes system. That's right, Euro 6. We're calling it Euro 6 Phase 3, the Ecofit system. So here it is, right at Ecofit, Mercedes Phase 3. And here you'll be able to run all the tests on the pump, right? For example, you can check the dosing, and you will also be able to monitor the rotation, pressure, current, and the injector control as well. Once the test pressure is reached, then you'll see the injector at work, pulsing, starting up, look, reaching 8 bar, 9 bar. The injector is working, the system is running. So, for those of you who already have the pump, now you just need to get this Mercedes update, Euro 6 Phase 3, so you can have the complete kit in your shop and offer the best service to your customers. Come visit us at the Fenatran booth. We'll be waiting for you. Thank you.